Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to know deleted transactions using the audit trail in NetSuite. Go to Transactions, Management, and click on Audit Trail to access the record of transaction changes, including deletions. You can apply various filters, such as users, to narrow down the audit trail results and focus on specific users. You can also use the action filter to refine results by specific actions such as create, change, or delete, helping you easily identify deleted transactions. You can also specify a transaction date from and to range to filter the audit trail results within a specific time period. You can filter by amount as well, using conditions like equals, greater than, or less than to further narrow down the transactions you're looking for. You can also use the transaction type filter to search for specific types of transactions, such as invoice, sales order, bill, etc. Using the account filter will help narrow down the audit trail results to transactions associated with a specific account. The name filter allows you to search for transactions related to specific entities. Click Submit to run the search with your selected filters. If you want to view the entire audit trail, simply leave all filters blank and click Submit. Results include details such as date and time, username, action, type, internal ID, document number, transaction number, post date, account, and amount, providing a comprehensive view of the audit trail. And that's how you can identify deleted transactions in the audit trail in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.